channel is another beautiful tutorial for you guys. So on today's tutorial I'll be unboxing the hair I bought from Aliexpress. So I'm going to be telling you the name of the store where I bought this hair. This hair is very nice. But before I start, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. When you subscribe, remember to click on that notification bell beside the subscribe button. When you do so, you will always get notification whenever I upload a new video. My notification gang members, I love you guys. You guys are so supportive. If you are in this channel and you have not clicked on that notification bell, know ye that you will not get notification anytime I upload a new video. So please, if you have not done so, please kindly do so right now. Go there, click on that notification bell so that you get notification anytime I upload a new video. Thank you guys. New subs, you are welcome to this great family. I love you guys and I can't stop loving you guys. So today is just kind of a brief talk. I'm just going to go ahead with what I want to unbox for you guys. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys, though I've tore the leather, I've tore it before. So this is it. This is how it came, guys. So DHL came like this. So guys, the hair is, this is 16. So this is 16 inches. So we have, I bought 20, this is 20 inches, guys. So we have, this is 18, 16, and 20 inches. So guys, the hair is very nice and I love the texture of this hair. Let me remove it so that you guys can see it. So this is the hair. It's very beautiful, silky, soft. This is it. This is 18 inches of the hair. So the hair is very nice. So I bought this hair from Missblue, yeah, store. That is what it's called. So guys, if you want this hair, if you want to get it, I'm going to be dropping the link. Guys, this hair came with a closure. Yeah, bought it with a closure, center pattern. The closure is 18 inches. So it's a center pattern closure. You can see it. This hair is very nice and affordable as well. 3 bundles can do your hair, except you are the kind of person that wants your hair to be that full. You understand? But 3 bundles can. You know, this is 2. So, and the hair is very thick, very thick. So this is it. This is 3 bundle with the closure. So this is the 3 bundle I have in here. So I'm going to be dropping the link for you guys. If you want this hair, you can order for it through the link or you visit their store. So this is the closure. So they came together and it's very affordable. So guys, this hair is beautiful. I love this hair. I'm going to be making a video how I transform this hair to wig. Then I will show you guys. I will carry you guys along. So I prefer to make my wig and wear it at my convenience. If you want to see me with this hair, kindly be at alert. Kindly go up there and click on that notification bell, because when you do so, you get notification when I'm done with the tutorial. So guys, remember to always support me, and if you know any way you can support us, support us to grow, please kindly do it. Support your sister. Share my videos, share it, watch. I'm making this video for you guys. Try to watch it. It's very important to me. Try. You know, support me the little you can. Give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. If you like all the videos, any of my videos, you can just give me a thumbs up. You know, support your sister, please. Please. It's not easy to be a Nigeria YouTuber. You guys are not helping us at all. You are not helping us at all. You need to help us to grow. So I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much, because without you guys, I'm nothing here. You understand? For the love that you have been showing me, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. So just watch out for the making of this wig. I'm going to turn it to wig, and like, I hate fixing. This is natural color, and like I said before, I got this hair from Missblue store, from Aliexpress. Like I said, I will drop the link for you guys. You can always go to the description box to get the link if you like the hair. The hair is very fine, very pale, soft, no shading. You know, it's just the way they described it before I bought it, and I'm in love with the hair, and I believe you too, you will love it. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.